Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy mushroom fried rice loaded with vegetables. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make mushroom fried rice, first I'm going to cook some rice, and for that I'm boiling some water and I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt. Into this I'm adding in 1.5 cups of long grain rice. The rice is washed and rinsed thoroughly. I had soaked the rice for about 5 minutes and washed and rinsed it thoroughly and then kept it on a strainer. Give this a stir and allow this to come to a boil and cook the rice until it is 3/4 cooked. While the rice is cooking, let's get the other ingredients ready. Let's check on the rice. The rice is 3/4 cooked, so I'm going to strain the rice and I'm going to allow it to cool down completely. If you have leftover cooked rice in the refrigerator, you can use that instead. So I have strained the rice and I have kept it on a strainer, and I'll be allowing the rice to cool down completely. So while I get the other ingredients ready, the rice will be cooled. So the other ingredients I'm using are 1/2 cup frozen peas, 2 medium-sized carrot chopped, 1/4 of a medium-sized cabbage chopped, 1 small capsicum chopped, 300 grams of mushrooms sliced, about 10 shallots, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 2 green chilies. I'll be slicing these 3. Fried rice is a great way to include vegetables in your family's diet. So try to include seasonal vegetables of your choice. If you have fresh green beans, you can add them as well. I have heated my cast iron wok and I am adding in 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil, and I'm just swirling the pan so that the oil is nicely coated all over the cast iron wok. Instead of wood pressed groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Remember that wood pressed oils has a very neutral flavor and taste. Into this I'm adding in the sliced garlic cloves. Give it a stir. This will also help the oil to get infused with the garlic flavor. Once the garlic starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in the sliced mushrooms. Give it a stir. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Mix well. Healthy cooking is all about using good quality oils. So switch over to wood pressed oils and try to avoid refined oils. Once the mushroom starts to cook, moisture will start releasing out. So just give it a stir and allow the mushrooms to get cooked on high flame. Remember, I'm using a cast iron wok which retains more heat. Into this add in 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon coconut aminos. Coconut aminos is a healthier option for soy sauce. Give it a mix. So I'm pushing the mushrooms on the side of the wok. And as you can see, the oil has released from the mushroom and gathered in the center of the wok. So into that I'm adding in another 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. And into the oil I'm adding in 3 garlic cloves sliced. Adding the shallots and green chilies which I have sliced. And just give it a stir. If you have celery at hand, you can use celery at this stage. And once the shallots are transparent or light pink in color, I'm adding in the rest of the vegetables. So first I'm adding in the carrot. Just give it a stir. Add in the green peas. Add in the cabbage. Stir well. Add in 2 teaspoon coconut aminos. Next Next, add in 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder. Coconut aminos is a healthier option to soy sauce. Now, if you don't have coconut aminos, you can use soy sauce. Once the vegetables are stir fried and is half cooked, add in the chopped capsicum. Give it a stir. Next, add in the cooked and cooled rice. Now mix this really well, and I have kept the flame on high all through the cooking. At this stage you can check salt, and I feel you need more salt, so I'm adding in little bit of pink Himalayan salt, and I'm also adding in half teaspoon freshly ground black pepper powder, and give this all a nice mix. Now if you have celery, spring onions, you can add them as well. If using celery and spring onion, you will get more of a restaurant flavor in the fried rice. And once nicely mixed, turn off the flame. And lastly, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Make sure you're using organic apple cider vinegar which has the mother. Add the apple cider vinegar after turning off the flame. And mix it really well, and my healthy mushroom fried rice is ready to serve. Serve this immediately with any side dish of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy mushroom fried rice and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.